1955 Oldsmobile 88 Holiday Coupe. Nice looking car, turquoise in color with a white and turquoise highlighted interior. 403 V8 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes, AC will blow cold, freeze you out of there actually. Take a look at the chrome up front, the bright work. It's kind of got that street rod look to it, the way it's set up. Paint shows well. There's a few little blemishes I will kind of point out what I did notice as we walk around it. But if you want to take a look at the still pictures, see this car from top to bottom, inside and out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at how straight this bright work is on here and how well that lines up. Not full of dings, nicks, or scratches, really on the paint or the bright work. In the video and the pictures, FYI, this is one of those colors that kind of maybe looks a little more blue, but I would call this a turquoise. So bucket seats. White vinyl again with those turquoise highlights. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's one of those spots kind of mentioned. I don't know. It's just, you can even really see it there. A little touch up right there. But again, they're all pretty minor. You can see dual exhaust, nice sounding car. We'll fire it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. If you also notice, the door handles have been shaved, antennas Frenched in, and as far as shaved door handles, there are poppers on the rearview mirrors right there on the driver and passenger side. Riding on Krager polished wheels. Go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side as far as the paint and the bright work both. Took a picture of this, so you'll see this in the still picture, just kind of a little discolored in the spot right there, and another just kind of a little blemish right there, but again, that's being awful fussy. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. These poppers do work, FYI, by just pushing that. Battery shut off, nice and handy right there. Seats are free of really much wear at all either. No rips or tears, holes in those. Headliner, good shape. Tilt column, as you can see. This is for an auxiliary fan. There's two electric fans underneath there. We'll pop the hood here too so you can check out the engine bay. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There we go. Take a look at the gauges. Classic instruments. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. You see the amp meter, fuel gauge, oil pressure, all working. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo, your AC control, and AC unit under the dash. Power windows switches over there. Power windows do work. Take a look at the top of the dash. This is not the wiper switch. Wiper switch is now had an electric unit put in it and is down underneath the key right here, and wipers do work. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Door closes nicely, smooth running car. Listen to this. Slip up to the front. We're going to open this hood, check out the engine bay, wrap this video up. Electric pusher fans. We also have mechanics back here. 403 V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. Sounds good. Smooth running V8. You can take it to your local shows, roll-ins, cruises. You don't have to be embarrassed about opening the hood on this one. Nice looking car, 1955 Oldsmobile Holiday Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, so we're able to take a couple cars out for driving videos for you. This car is kind of amazing, like sitting in a 50s diner. The work that's been done brings the whole design together. Our oil pressure is about 35, water temperature 180. Our amps are on the positive side of the gauge.
Holiday savings. Experience driving a Sherman tank.
We got a radio that works. There is a add-on HVAC down here under the dash that does work. Power windows. This car goes down the highway very nicely. Starts and idles really easy. It's a comfortable car. There's a wiper switch under the dash. Windshield wipers do work. It's such a great color combination on this car.